Hello, it's Jim Cooke with Utility Service Agency.
And I'm Edgar Castro, the Plant Director for our Houston facility here at Resilient Structures.
We're here in Houston, Texas at the factory. Right now we're going to show you a quick snippet of some of the assembly. What you'll see here is how the poles are nested when they come from the original factory. In this way, they're able to ship 40 of these assembled at a time on the trucks, making it very efficient. I'm going to ask Edgar to walk us through a little bit of the assembly process that he's doing for the customers in the local area.
So in this stage of the process, we have a 55-foot pole that comes in a nested configuration from our sister sites. And we're gonna unnest each of the 4 modules that make up a 55-foot pole. We're gonna align them to the orientation of the drill patterns and soft assemble them. We're gonna unnest it and soft assemble it and then compress it to size. And what the people behind us are doing is that they're locking that size and fastening it to the final assembly specs.
Soft. What do you mean by soft?
Well, soft assembly is the first step of the process that gets that alignment, and then we compress them and fasten them and lock them into place and add the hardware as required by the customer prior to shipment.
And from here, I understand we can do the drilling and QA of the poles, so we ship out a complete assembly to our customers.
Yes, that is correct. We will final assemble it here, add the hardware, and then ready it for shipment to our customers.
So here you have it. Once again, as Utility Service Agency and Resilient Structures. Thank you.